Welcome to the Healthy Living channel, where we're dedicated to sharing insights, tips, and recipes that contribute to a vibrant, healthier lifestyle. I'm thrilled you've joined us today. As an expert in nutrition and wellness, I'm here to guide you through the incredible benefits of natural ingredients and how they can be integrated into our daily lives for improved health and well-being. Today, we're focusing on a powerful, soothing beverage that's not only a delight to sip, but is also packed with health benefits: ginger and turmeric tea. This tea is a potent combination of two of nature's most remarkable healing ingredients, known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, soothe a sore throat, or simply enjoy a comforting, healthful drink, this recipe is for you. Ginger, a root that has been used for centuries in various traditional medicine systems around the world, is celebrated for its ability to ease digestive discomfort, reduce nausea, and fight off colds and flu. Its spicy, warming nature makes it an excellent natural remedy for soothing coughs and sore throats. Turmeric, on the other hand, is a bright yellow spice, often referred to as the golden spice, due to its high curcumin content. Curcumin is a compound that has been extensively studied for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects and its role in enhancing immune function. Turmeric adds not only a beautiful color and a mild, earthy flavor to the tea, but also brings a host of health benefits, including potential support in managing inflammation and pain. Now let's get into how to make this healing ginger and turmeric tea. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, thinly sliced. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, or a 1-inch piece of fresh turmeric, thinly sliced. 2 cups of water. 1 tablespoon of honey, or to taste, optional for sweetness. Juice of half a lemon, optional for added vitamin C and a refreshing tang. Instructions: 1. Prepare the ingredients. Begin by thinly slicing the ginger and turmeric root if you're using fresh turmeric. No need to peel them if they're well washed. 2. Simmer. In a small saucepan, bring the 2 cups of water to a gentle boil. Add the sliced ginger and turmeric to the boiling water. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer gently for about 10-15 minutes. This slow simmering process allows the water to become infused with the flavors and beneficial compounds of the ginger and turmeric. 3. Strain and serve. After simmering, strain the tea into a mug to remove the ginger and turmeric pieces. At this point, you can enhance the tea with a tablespoon of honey for sweetness and the juice of half a lemon for a refreshing vitamin C-packed twist. 4. Enjoy. Sip this comforting, healing tea slowly, letting its warmth and flavors soothe you from the inside out. This ginger and turmeric tea is more than just a beverage. It's a gentle, natural way to support your body's health and well-being. Incorporating this tea into your daily routine, especially during the colder months or at the first sign of a cold, can be a delightful way to boost your immune system and enjoy a moment of tranquility. Thank you for joining me today on the Healthy Living channel. I'm excited to share more healthful tips, recipes, and insights with you. Remember, taking small steps towards incorporating natural, healing ingredients into your diet can make a significant impact on your overall health. Stay tuned for more, and here's to your health and happiness.